Relay panel schedule. Many projects specify centralized systems utilizing relay panels. Unfortunately, sometimes engineers don't always provide the relay panel schedules needed for the electrical contractor. In this tutorial, we will focus on creating a relay panel schedule and adding it to the print pages. Add relay panel. Under the Products tab on the left side panel, search for a standard ARP16 relay panel. Place the relay panel on the layout, normally inside an electrical room. For our example, we will place it outside the plans for now. The relay panel, for our example design, will be controlling the open office areas and all the corridors in this office building. Create relay panel schedule. Once you have placed the relay panel on the layout, select your panel, go to the Design tab in the ribbon at the top and select Panel Schedule. The Visual Controls Panel Schedule Builder can build panel schedules for both the Enlight ARP and the Fresco LMP. In this example, we will build a panel schedule for Enlight ARP16 relays, but the process is the same for all other panel types and size. Under the Home tab, click on Create. Select the options that apply to your panel. For the ARP16, we'll select one column. For an ARP24 or larger, select 2 columns. And for a LMP, select Group. From this window you will see 16 rows for your 16 relay panels selected. This window also has many columns to help build your schedule and specify it as necessary for the customer. On the right side of the page, you'll find the Properties menu. These fields can be filled out for further details regarding the panel itself, such as catalog number, enclosure dimensions, supply circuit and voltage, and any additional comments you want your customer to see. On the top right corner, you will find the pop-out window option to have the relay panel schedule as a separate window and be able to have your design pages and the relay panel schedule side by side. This will facilitate the process of updating the relay panel schedule with the circuits, zones, and all other details. Relay panel schedule details. Now, with the relay panel schedule side by side with your design page, fill out all the information available for your relay panel. Make sure to include as much information as possible. Use the lighting panel schedules if available to find panel names, circuit numbers, voltage, and panel location. If you need to include a voltage barrier in your relay panel, select the relay where the barrier should go and click on the Toggle Voltage Barrier button. This will add a visible thick line below the relay selected, indicating voltage barrier location. Let's now talk about the different options available to edit and adjust your relay panel schedule as desired. On the top ribbon you will find different options to add, copy, delete columns as well as the row. You will need to adjust this based on your project requirements. Now that you have entered in all the information required for your relay panel schedule, you are ready to include it within your print pages. Print pages options. Select one of your design print pages. You can include the relay panel schedule in your print pages in a few different ways. Under the Print tab, select Panel Schedules. Here you will find the list of design pages with a relay panel schedule available. You can also include the relay panel schedule on its own dedicated print page. Let's create a new print page, name it Relay Panel, and add the relay panel schedule. Once the relay panel schedule is dropped in place, select it to access its properties. Under the relay panel schedule properties, you can adjust its size by changing the text height and minimum width fields. Let's head back to our other design page example and adjust the size of the relay panel schedule for better visibility. Once you have made all adjustments, head over to File, select the Print option, select the print pages you would like to include in your layout package, and select the Print to PDF button. That's all for this video. Make sure to check out all of our visual controls tutorials. Thank you for watching.